Despite gold basically finishing flat on the day, it is still at more than 11% this year. And chartmaster Carter Braxton Worth sees more golden gains ahead. So Carter, walk us through the charts.
Sure. One thing to note, look, there are three types of people when it comes to gold. You fall into one of three categories. There are people who never own it, never want to own it, never will own it. They're the opposite, people who will always own it, will never let it go, gold bugs. And then there are people who want to own it from time to time, want to hedge. The latter two are fine. Obviously you don't want to have 80% of your net worth or burying this stuff in your lawn, but having a lifelong position in precious metals makes sense, and also using precious metals as a timing tool makes sense. But let's look at some charts and data and see what we can divine together. The first is just, this is an inconvenient table for the first group, people who never want to own it, can't own it, won't own it. This is, well, inconvenient. Gold and the S&P are even money going back to December 1996. They have returned the exact same. It's annualizing. You can see there at 6.8%. Now, the first response of the critic would say, well, what about total return? You just go to back to 1997. Gold has done its job on a long-term basis. You can see the chart right here. There it is. Now, one could say one's more volatile, one's less volatile. They're even money for basically 22, 23 years, and with total return about 20. So it's something to note for those who never want to talk about it or own it. Right now, that's important. This is the ratio chart. Gold to the S&P. It's simply one divided by the other, and it depicts a relative strength line. This has been bottoming for the past 2 years. Gold has been outperforming equities as an asset class. Now, in terms of what's the potential, you see a long-term chart of gold here. The low, and this is the irony, of course, gold's down 200 an ounce or thereabouts. It's in the year 2000. Cisco is worth more than any company in the world, and people love .com and they hate gold. We all know how the story ends. That's why it's a great story. And then GDX. We think it has bottomed, and we're headed to around $42 a share. We closed at 34 and change today.